What's up, everybody? Back from the card store where I purchased another random mystery pack, and it had these in it. So Scarlet and Violet, Palladia Evolved, Sword and Shield, Silver Tempest, Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars, and Scarlet and Violet, Temporal Forces. So, again, I opened these so that it's easier for me to just get it going. So here we go. Let's get right into this. Hope everything is well in your world. If it's not going your way, just remember that you are loved by me. Fingers crossed we get some amazing pull. I have no idea what to expect from this series. There's our foil. Another foil. Okay, there's our rare. Maybe that's already damaged. What? This thing just came out of the pack. That's crazy. Card. Next. Come on. You ripped it so that you could get it out faster, not be a doo-doo brain. Alright. Foil. Oh, yeah. Charizard. Hell yeah. Score. Energy. Next. Foil. Arcanine. Energy. Nothing good. We're getting kind of skunked, I'd say, so far. This is me. I don't know what to expect, or, you know, is this normal? Probably. I'm used to big grab bags. Foil. Foil. Oh boy, whoop-de-whoop-de-doo. Trainer card. Lame. There's that. I don't know why. We can just go that way, but there we go. Pretty foil. Oh, got some flowers. Is it flowers or veggies? It looks like flowers. Okay. Well, I'd say that was a fail. What do you all think of the video? Comment, subscribe. Let me know that you're out there, everybody. Do something. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know that you're there. Comments are greatly appreciated. I love you all. Can't do without your support. Till next time, take care.